Let's talk potatoes. Fondant potatoes, that's what we're going to do today. I just think the potato is such a humble ingredient, yet so delicious, and can be done in so many different ways. I want you to get excited about potatoes. No, I'm really excited about potatoes. So top and tail the potato and give them a good peeling. And then slice through, as you can see, either side to the thickness of your cutter, and then you just push through the potato with your cutter. This is a plasticky one I have, which can sometimes distort the shape. If you've got a metal cutter, they're much better because they're much firmer and they hold their shape. If you don't have a cutter, you can just use a knife and get a small knife and just cut it into a shape that resembles a circle or whatever shape you like. Now in a pan, put some olive oil and get it warm, and then place your potatoes in, because we want to caramelize the potatoes and get a bit of colour on the top of them. Aesthetically pleasing is what they say. So as you can see, there's some nice colour on the potato, and we want to get good colour all over the potato. And then just melt some butter in there, just to give it a more caramelised-y flavour. Now that the potatoes have got a nice colour on them, as you can see, place them into a dish with the melted butter. Chop your garlic. You're also going to use some thyme and some stock, and you basically put your garlic and thyme in with the potatoes and fill up the pan or the pot that you're using with your potatoes, 3/4 full of veg stock or chicken stock. I'll leave a link below for the chicken stock recipe. It's quick and easy to make, and you can use that to cook your potatoes in, or you can use a veg stock. Vegans can use a vegan stock. Gluten-free, don't have to worry, so it's a really good all-round recipe, man. Now fill the pot with the stock 2/3 up, just off the top of the potato. Place them in an oven at 180 degrees, around about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the size of your potato. And all that flavour, the garlic and the thyme and the stock, is being absorbed into the potato. So you want to just poke a knife into the top of the potato, and as you can see, it goes in very easily and comes out very easily, which means the potatoes are cooked. This is a fun way to make potatoes, and it's so full of flavour. You can stick whatever flavour you want in there. You can stick loads of different herbs, rosemary, smoked paprika, whatever you like. Enjoy the potato. You can serve them with fish, you can serve them with meat, you can just eat them as they are. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy what we do, and we'll see you next Wednesday.